If you're running a pool service business right now, whether you're at $10,000 a month, $30,000 a month, or pushing towards six figures, there's a good chance your marketing looks like one of two things. Either you're surviving almost entirely on referrals and word of mouth, the phone rings when somebody tells a neighbor about you, and when it doesn't ring, you wait. You can't predict it, you can't turn it up, you just hope. Or you've hired an agency. You're paying someone somewhere between $1,000 to $2,000 a month to run ads for you. And someone else's performance, someone who has never cleaned a pool in their life, is tied directly to your business's growth. I see both of these situations constantly through Splash, the software platform we built specifically for pool service businesses. Operators at every stage, in every market, running every size route. And the ones who are stuck almost always fall into one of two traps. The ones who are actually growing consistently, predictably, month over month, they're not just doing one thing. They're doing three things simultaneously. And those three things work together in a way that most operators in this industry have never seen laid out clearly. And that's what this video is going to be about. It's the complete marketing system for pool service businesses. Three pillars, how each one works, why they work better together than any of them do alone, and exactly how to implement all of it. Now, I've covered pieces of this in other videos on the channel. The paid ad strategy, I broke down the exact campaign that turned $15,000 in ad spend to over $1 million in enterprise value. And the Google Maps strategy, I covered the full profile optimization and review system in depth, and today I'm pulling it all together in one complete picture so you can see how the whole system actually operates. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Gianluca, and I built Tiger Shark Pool Service in Las Vegas to multiple seven figures in revenue. And I built this channel to help pool service operators like yourself accomplish the same goal. Now, before we get into this, let's actually talk about the two traps that keep pool service businesses stuck. Trap number one is going to be the referral cycle. Your business is doing good, you do quality work, your customers like you, and because of that, some of them tell their neighbors, words tends to spread, you get calls, and for a while, this feels like it's actually working. The problem is that it's not a system. It's a consequence, and you cannot turn referrals up. And you can't hire around them because some weeks the phone blows up, and some weeks it goes completely silent. And when you try to hire your first tech, you're terrified about guaranteeing them hours or a specific amount of pools. The referral-only business is exactly why this fear exists. You do not have a clear lever that you can pull to make the phone ring. You're just essentially waiting. Now, aside from this, referrals are a good sign that you do good work. They're just not really a marketing strategy. And trap number two is the agency hamster wheel. You've essentially decided that referrals aren't enough, so you hire an agency. They charge you a monthly retainer to run Facebook ads or Google ads or possibly even both. Sometimes the leads come in, sometimes they don't. Their quality oftentimes varies. And every month you're going to be writing a check for a management fee on top of your actual ad spend, which means roughly 40 to 50% of your marketing budget is going straight to overhead before a single lead comes in. Now here's the deeper problem. Most agencies have never run a service business in their life. They don't understand the pool service industry. They don't understand route density, seasonal churn, or even what makes a pool service lead actually convert. They optimize for lead volume because that's what they can measure and report back to you. Lead quality, the thing that actually determines whether your business grows, that's your problem. And the worst part here is that the moment you actually stop paying, the leads stop. You haven't necessarily built anything here. You've just rented traffic that disappears the second the invoice does. Now, getting off of both of these and actually owning your marketing, that's what the tri-pillar system does. But before we jump into that, let's talk about the bonfire analogy and why these three pillars together are always going to beat one by themselves. But before I walk you through each pillar, I want to give you framework for how they all fit together, because most operators miss this. I want you to think about this like you're building a fire. The fire pit, the structure that holds everything together, is your brand. The way your truck looks, the way your team shows up, the way your business presents itself when a potential customer finds you for the first time. This is your baseline. You can have the best marketing in the world, but if your trucks are beat up, your techs show up in random clothes, and your Google profile looks like it was set up in 2019 and never touched again, none of the marketing is going to work the way that it should. Then there's the logs inside of the fire pit. That's your organic marketing. Google Maps, reviews, referrals, word of mouth. These are the slow-burning components. You don't turn on organic overnight, you build it, you maintain it, and over time it becomes the fire that is very hard to put out. Organic leads in any business cost you nothing per acquisition once your system is running. This is what makes it so powerful long-term. In gasoline, that's your paid advertising. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads. Gasoline by itself doesn't build a sustainable fire. You pour gas on nothing and you get a flash that burns out fast. That's the paid ad hamster wheel. But when you pour gasoline on top of slow-burning logs inside of a solid fire pit, the whole thing lights up faster, burns brighter, and the organic underneath keeps going long after the gas runs out. And that's the system, guys. Brand is the foundation, organic is the slow burn, and paid is the accelerant. Most pool service businesses do one, maybe even two of these, but the ones that dominate in the market are doing all three, intentionally, simultaneously, and systematically. Now let's jump into pillar number one, paid marketing. I like to start with this because this is essentially the fastest way you're going to start finding immediate lead flow and the most misunderstood. I covered this in depth in a separate video on the channel on how I turned $15,000 in ad spend into almost $1 million in enterprise value with 267 new customers in less than 6 months. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it in the description. Go check it out after. But here's the framework at a high level. We ran targeted video ads on Facebook and Instagram, geo-targeted to our service area, not a massive radius. It was tight in the neighborhoods that we serviced, the people that we could actually get to and service well. The creative we made then followed a specific formula. Open with a pain point on who your ideal customer is already living with, the pool guy who doesn't show up, the green pool nobody explained, the service company that never communicates. Stop their scroll by speaking directly to a frustration that they're going to recognize. Then you're going to pivot to differentiation. Here's why you're different. Specific, concrete, and credible evidence. Not any we're the best kind of crap, the actual thing that makes your service worth choosing. And then move into the offer. In our case, it was a free month, a free filter clean, and a free equipment inspection upon the first service visit with zero contract attached. It was essentially a try before you buy model that removed all of the risk from a customer side of the equation. The result was 20+% lead conversion rate. And more than half of that conversion rate came down to a single thing, our speed to lead. When a prospect submitted their information, they got an automated text immediately. And then I called them personally as fast as I could. Not an hour later, not the next morning, as fast as I possibly could. The reason I did that is that the interest on an inbound lead has the half-life measured in minutes. The operators who call back later on the same day are already going to be losing. The ones who call within 5 minutes, those are the ones that are converting at a meaningful percentage. And this is exactly where Splash fits into the marketing pillar. When a lead comes in, Splash captures it, fires an automated response immediately, and notifies you to call the individual. The speed to lead problem is solved at the system level. You don't have to remember, you don't have to be watching your phone. The system handles the first touch automatically when you're on your route. And then the follow-up sequence keeps the lead warm until you can get on the phone. No more leads going cold in your email inbox. No more calling someone back the next day and getting a lukewarm response from somebody who already moved on. We built this because when I was running the $15,000 campaign at Tiger Shark, I was doing all of it manually. I mean, it worked, but it was exhausting and it didn't necessarily scale as well as I thought it would. Splash is the system that I wish we had and the one that we automated. Go book a free demo, the link is in the description. But aside from that, let's keep going. Okay, next for pillar number 2, this is going to be your organic marketing. Organic is the slow burn. It is going to take longer to build than paid ads, but once it is running, it is going to compound tremendously. And unlike paid advertising, it doesn't stop when you stop writing a monthly check. There are going to be 3 main components to the organic side of marketing in your business. First is Google Maps. Now, I already did a full video on this. The link is in the description if you haven't seen it, but here's a shorter summarized version. Google Maps is consistently one of the highest ROI marketing channels available to any pool service business. When somebody in your market searches pool service near me, whoever shows up at the top of the list is going to get the call. Not the second, not the third, the top result. And the operators in your city who are ranking at the top aren't there by accident. They have a completed profile, a real address pin, not just a service area blob, a products and services section that's fully filled out with language people actually search for, photo reviews from real customers, and a review system that generates new reviews consistently over time, not so much in bursts. Now, every one of these things is buildable. None of them require an agency, and they're all in one place. And once they're in place, they work for you every single day without you even needing to touch them. Next is reviews. And not all reviews are created equal, and I want to say that with emphasis. A text review with no photo is going to be better than having no reviews at all. But a photo review from a real customer is going to be worth roughly 10 times what a generic text review is worth in Google's algorithm. Frequent photo reviews with keywords like your city's name, your service type, your technician's name are the highest leverage thing you can do on your Google business profile once your foundation is set. Now, the system that's going to get you there is essentially two-pronged. First one is a digital review link that your tech uses in person or your team sends out at the end of every service visit that opens directly to your review page, where the customer can then write a review right there on the spot. The second and better portion of this is to automate this process with an automated follow-up that goes out through Splash after every service visit or work order, timed perfectly when the customer just received their post-visit summary and their experience is fresh in their mind. Now, a combination of the two, in-person plus automation on this side of things, running both simultaneously, that's going to be a review system that will build you hundreds of reviews as opposed to your competitor who's likely sitting somewhere between 30 and 50. Third is referrals, and referrals are not a system by default. They're a consequence of good work, but you can build a system around them that's going to make them more predictable. The simplest version is ask specifically. Not if you know somebody or if you have a neighbor or friend who's been frustrated with their pool service, I'd like an introduction, please. Specific asks are going to give you specific results. And a referred customer who comes in through someone who already trusts you is almost always going to be better long-term account than someone that you just found cold off the internet. Layer in a small incentive if you want to accelerate it. This could be a Starbucks gift card, a free filter clean, just something that acknowledges the referral and makes the customer feel like their recommendation was valued. That small gesture turns a passive referrer into an active one. Now, pillar number 3, and honestly one of my favorites, is physical marketing. This is the pillar that most pool service operators skip entirely, and it's baffling. And it's the one that turns a paid lead into a neighborhood. Here's the concept behind it. The first thing here I'd recommend is truck wraps. Your truck is a moving billboard in every neighborhood that you work in. If it's a plain white truck with a magnetic sign, you're leaving brand equity on the table every single day. A properly wrapped truck in a tight service area generates thousands of free impressions per week from people who live near your existing customers. Pool service is one of those industries that has a natural geographic clustering advantage that most industries don't. If you're servicing 3 pools on the same street, your truck is visible to an entire neighborhood multiple times a week. That repetition builds brand recognition before anyone ever calls you. And when they do call, you're not a total stranger to them. They've seen you, they may have already built some brand trust for you. The next one is door hangers. This is the physical marketing tactic that works best in pool service specifically. When you or your technician service a pool on any given street, hit the surrounding houses with a door hanger before you leave. Not a generic flyer, a branded specific flyer that says something like, "We just serviced your neighbor's pool at 123. If you're looking for reliable pool service in this neighborhood, here's what we offer and here's how to reach us." This is hyper-local, relevant, and delivered at exactly the moment when your credibility in the neighborhood is highest, because you're literally there already doing the work. The conversion rate on neighborhood door hangers delivered immediately after a service visit is significantly higher than cold direct mail, because you're not a stranger. You're the company that just serviced the pool 2 doors down. That context matters. Now, how do we tie all these 3 pillars together? Here's really what I want you to see here. These 3 pillars are not independent channels. They are a loop that feeds itself. Your paid ads generate a lead. That lead becomes a customer. That customer gets a post-visit summary after every service through Splash, which triggers a review request. That review improves your Google Maps ranking. Your Google Maps ranking generates inbound organic leads that costs you nothing per acquisition. Those customers get door hanger coverage in their neighborhood when you service their pool. The neighbor calls. Some of them come from seeing your wrapped truck repeatedly. Some of them come from a door hanger. Some come from Google. Some come from a referral. And then every single one of them enters the same system. Automated communication, post-visit summaries, review requests, referral asks. The paid lead you bought for $60 eventually generates 4 to 5 organic leads because the system is set up to extract maximum value for every customer you bring in. That, in theory, is the compounding effect here. That's why the businesses that do all 3 are growing tremendously, while other businesses are just treading water. In the first year at Tiger Shark, the majority of our new business came from paid ads. But by the time we sold, a significant and growing portion was coming from organic. Google Maps, referrals, word of mouth, etc. Because we had built a system that turned paid customers into organic engines. Our marketing got more efficient every single month, our cost per acquired customer went down, and our margins went up. The trajectory is available to any pool service operator who builds all 3 pillars intentionally. Now, how do we prioritize these things, and essentially where do we start? I want to be honest with you about something before we wrap up. Watching this video and trying to implement all 3 pillars simultaneously tomorrow is a great way to do mediocre job at all three of them. Here's how I want you to think about this sequence based upon where you're at right now. If you have no consistent lead flow, start with paid. Facebook, Instagram, or even Google ads targeting your service area with a compelling offer. Get the phone ringing. Leads in the system, use Splash to capture and follow up automatically so you don't lose the leads you're paying to generate. Now, if you already have leads coming in, but your Google Maps presence is weak, go fix the profile. Fill out every section, get the review system running, a properly optimized Google business profile, and most pool service markets will generate meaningful organic lead flow within 90 days of consistent effort. And if you're the guy that already has both of these things running, it's time for you to add in the physical layer. Go get your truck wrapped professionally. Build a door hanger system in the neighborhoods you already service. Turn your existing route into a neighborhood marketing engine. And if you want to dive deeper on any individual piece, the paid ad strategy is in the $15,000 to $1 million video. The Google Maps strategy is in the Google Maps video, both of which are linked in the description below. This video was intended to be the overview to show you how everything connects together. Build the foundation, add the slow burn, pour on the gasoline, let your system compound. Now, 2 quick things before I let you guys go. If you're serious about implementing this system, Splash is the platform that ties all 3 pillars together: lead capture and automated follow-up from your paid campaigns, post-visit summaries and automated review requests for your organic growth, and customer communication that runs professionally without everyone going through your personal cell phone. One platform, one login, built specifically for pool service businesses. Go book a free demo, the link is in the description below. And second, everything I covered on this channel goes deeper inside the Splash Lab community. It is a free school community for all active Splash members where we connect pool professionals with each other in an open marketplace to talk about what's working and what's not working in the business. In addition, I've put tons of content like this in modules breaking down every single piece of the pool service business, absolutely free for you. Go check it out, it's super valuable. And if you somehow managed to sit through till the end of this video, I want to thank you for watching. If you found this video to be useful at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a like, and we will see you in the next one.